Ever wished you could turn your Google Slides lesson into a polished video with your voice and face included? In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to record your Google Slides presentation with both audio and video. Perfect for lectures, tutorials, and online classes. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google Slides. The direct link is docs.google.com/slides. Sign in with the Google account, where your presentation is saved or where you'll be creating a new one. Once you're on the Slides homepage, open the presentation you want to record and double check that your content is in place. Now, we need a recording tool. Open a new tab and search for Record to Slides. In the results, locate the extension from the Chrome Web Store called Record to Slides. Click the link to open the extension page, then hit Add to Chrome. Follow the prompts to finish installing it. Once it's installed, refresh your Google Slides page so the extension activates properly. After the page reloads, you'll see a new option or icon added to your Slides toolbar. That's your recording feature. Open your presentation if it's not already up and click the recording option. A menu or window will appear where you can configure your setup. Before hitting record, make sure your microphone and camera are both enabled if you want audio and video. Adjust your mic volume so your voice is clear and position your camera so you're well framed and well lit. Once everything looks and sounds right, start recording and move through your slides just like you're presenting live. When you're done, stop the recording and save or export the file depending on the extension's options. You've now created a dynamic presentation that includes your slides, your voice, and if you chose, your video, ready to share on learning platforms, YouTube, or with your students. If this guide helped you, stick around for more tutorials like this and start creating content that looks and sounds professional.